How to unlock permanently locked Snapchat account. Hello and welcome back everybody to our channel. If your Snapchat account is permanently locked, it usually means Snapchat has detected a violation. So you can just go over and recover it, but some cases can be recovered, but some not at all. So if you really want to do so, what we can do is we can try through the official unlock page as well. So go to browser. And once we are headed to a browser, we can go to accounts.snapchat.com/account/unblock. And once we are headed towards this page, we'll be finding a login interface. All we gotta do is first of all enter up our username or a password and go ahead and tap on the next option and login. And we can tap on unlock. And once we do so, if it works, your account is restored instantly. Apart from that, what we can do is wait. We can wait for 24 to 48 hours. Sometimes permanently locked is actually a temporary security lock. You can wait for 1 to 2 days. Do not keep trying login repeatedly. Apart from that, what we can do is we can open up Snapchat normally. Just go and open it up. And once we have opened it up, we can try logging in normally. So tap on sign up or login. And once we're done, so we can tap on get started and go ahead and follow out the process to log in and go ahead and log in normally. You can just go over and use that option in order to log in, and you should be able to do it. If it's done normally, it's successful and it will be working again. And if nothing else works, you can contact the Snapchat support. You can go to Snapchat support and select the option that your account is locked, and you can submit out an appeal form and explain clearly what happened, and they should probably unlock your account. So that's it everybody. For now, you can follow out this method. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.